In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture so you can seamlessly integrate it into Google Docs. So let's get started. Imagine you're working on a project or preparing a document where you want your images to really pop by having a clean, transparent background. To achieve this, we will be using a handy online tool called remove.bg. It's incredibly efficient and simplifies the process tremendously. First, you'll want to open up a new tab in your web browser. In the address bar, type in remove.bg and hit enter. This will take you to the website we'll be using to edit our image. It's user-friendly, free for basic use, and works amazingly well. Once you're on the remove.bg website, you'll notice the large upload button on their homepage. Go ahead and click on this button to begin. What you're going to do next is select the photo you'd like to edit from your computer's files. Navigate through your folders to find the image you're hoping to clean up, select it, and click Open. The website will upload your photo, and almost instantly it will remove the background for you. Now that the background has been removed, you'll want to download this newly edited photo. Look for the Download button, click on it, and the image without the background will be saved to your computer. Isn't that neat? Once the image has downloaded, you can use it in your Google Docs to enhance your content visually. Let's see how to do that next. Go back to your Google Docs and open the document you're working on. Within your Google Doc, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From there, hover your mouse over Drawing and then click on New. This will open up the drawing screen. You'll see an icon that looks like an image in the toolbar. Click on this to upload your background-free image. When the file selection window appears, locate the image you downloaded from remove.bg, click it, and then click Open. Allow it a moment to completely upload and load onto the draw canvas. Here's your chance to make any additional edits or add some details to your image if you'd like. Once you're satisfied with how the image looks, the final step is straightforward. All you need to do is click the Save and Close button in the upper right corner of the drawing window. The edited image will now be placed into your document exactly where you want it. And there you have it. The image with a clear background is now beautifully integrated into your Google Doc. It's a pretty simple technique that offers quite a bit of flexibility for customizing your documents. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.